ATAS versus Tradovate. Which trading platform is better? Choosing the right trading platform can completely change how you analyze markets and execute trades without struggling with slow interfaces or limited features. We'll briefly cover both ATAS and Tradovate. ATAS and Tradovate are both powerful trading platforms, but they serve different needs. ATAS focuses on advanced order flow and footprint charting, while Tradovate offers a cloud-based futures trading experience with integrated brokerage services. ATAS is a professional trading platform designed primarily for order flow analysis and volume footprint charts. It works by aggregating market data to display detailed insights into market depth, trades, and liquidity, helping traders identify supply and demand zones. Its strengths lie in advanced visualization tools, customizable charts, and support for multiple data feeds. This makes it ideal for traders who rely heavily on volume and order flow to make decisions. However, ATAS does not provide brokerage services directly, so users need to connect it to a compatible broker. Its interface can be complex for beginners due to the depth of features. Overall, ATAS suits experienced traders focused on futures and stocks who require granular market data and powerful analysis tools, but are comfortable managing brokerage separately. Tradovate is a cloud-based futures trading platform that combines trading technology with brokerage services. It enables users to trade futures contracts directly through its platform without third-party brokers. Tradovate offers a modern, intuitive interface with features like advanced charting, automated trading, and mobile access. Its cloud architecture allows for seamless updates and accessibility from any device. Strengths include commission-free trading plans, integrated risk management, and social trading features. Limitations include a focus solely on futures markets and a learning curve for some advanced tools. Tradovate is ideal for futures traders seeking an all-in-one platform with brokerage included, especially those who value mobility and cloud-based convenience. It appeals to both active traders and those looking for flexible trading plans without extra fees. Comparing ATAS and Tradovate comes down to specialization versus integration. ATAS excels in detailed order flow and volume analysis, making it perfect for traders who prioritize deep market insights and use external brokers. In contrast, Tradovate offers a streamlined futures trading experience with brokerage built in, ideal for traders wanting simplicity and mobility. If you need advanced footprint charts and customizable data visualization, ATAS is the better choice. If you prefer cloud access, commission-free futures trading, and an all-in-one solution, Tradovate stands out. Both platforms have learning curves but cater to different trading styles. The trade-off is between the depth of analysis with ATAS and the convenience of integrated trading with Tradovate. Choose ATAS if your focus is on sophisticated order flow analysis and you already have a preferred broker for executing trades. Opt for Tradovate if you want a cloud-based, all-in-one futures trading platform with built-in brokerage and modern tools. It's perfect for traders seeking flexibility, commission-free plans, and easy access across devices. Both platforms excel in their niches, so pick what fits your trading style.